everyone. How are you? Let's cook some squash. Yay! The first thing you should know about a squash, you should never go at a squash with a flimsy knife. Get yourself a knife. Finally, I got it open. I thought I was going to have to call in reinforcements, but I did it. Okay, I have my oven preheated, and I have it at 400 degrees, and I'm going to cook this for about 35 minutes or until they are nice and soft. So what I'm putting on them now is just good old salt and pepper, and I'm going to put some oil on it. Now you can use any kind of oil you like, it doesn't matter. Any kind of oil. And I'll put these babies in the oven, and then when they are done, I'm gonna come back. Let's see the spaghetti and spaghetti squash. Yeah. Listen to that. Stop it. That's the spaghettis. Yeah. I'm gonna put it in the bowl, and yeah, I'm gonna eat on this. Ooh, don't that look good? It's Linda, and my dinner is complete. So I wish you can see this. I can hold this over. So I have spaghetti squash, broccoli, and that is barbecue chicken breast. Now that white cream you see on my chicken breast, that is ranch dressing. Yeah, I know. I like ranch dressing with my barbecue. What can I say? The chicken is really nice and tender, but mostly I want to taste these spaghetti squash, right? After all, they are the star of the show, right? Awesomeness. Oh, they taste really good. It's really, it does have a spaghetti consistency, but yeah, you know, it's something grown. It ain't country dough, you know. That's the line from Ray too. Wow. Okay, but anyway, yeah, my spaghetti squash, the barbecue, the broccoli, all delicious, and ta-da! Oh, Chanel, yeah, that's Moscato, but I'm gonna drink one glass. Listen, guys, you all go check out Chanel. I'm gonna put a link to her channel at the bottom, and it was the last Wine Wednesday, right? Please go check that video out. The more you get to the end, the more funnier it gets. And listen, I'm making fun of you, Chanel, but it's all out of love, my baby. All out of love. I love that video. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a great Sunday night. Later, y'all.